Good morning, dear children. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. With this beautiful quotation, we'll start our lesson. So we'll study today about types of operating system. Okay. So different types of operating systems are there. One is single user operating system. This operating system could support only one user to do one task at a time. Okay. One user can work in a system and one type of work can do. That means two works cannot open also and cannot do. Okay. The most popular single user operating system were Microsoft Windows 3.1, Microsoft Windows 95, and Microsoft DOS. That means older versions of Windows and DOS was the single user operating system. One task at a time. Whatever suppose the user wants to typing, so only typing work. Okay. So no other work can be performed at that time. Next one is this operating is graphical user interface GUI, which is more popular nowadays. This operating system is graphic based and interactive in nature. In it, menus, icons are available to perform all operations just by clicking on them. Just like you are now using your Windows 10, Windows 7. So these all are a graphical user interface where we are using menus to select any option, icons, everything is picture in present in the small form of pictures known as your icon. Just by clicking on it, we are performing the action. Okay, we are not able to need not to remember any commands or type any commands. Okay, now the user need not to remember the lengthy commands or their syntax as they had to do it in command line interface CLI or character user interface CUI. Examples are operating system, Mac operating system, and Linux operating system. Okay, Windows operating system actually it is Windows operating system, Mac OS, and Linux. Okay, next one is your multi-user operating system, where more than one user can work in a single system. That means in one CPU, many means monitors can be connected, and people can sit at different monitors and they can do the work, so that they can perform different work at a time. Okay, just like in our computer lab, you remember to one CPU. Four computers are connected together, four different students are sitting for different types of work done. That is a multi-user operating system. So Windows is 10, 7, these are multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system allows more than one user to use the same computer at the same time. Some of the operating systems that fall in this category are Linux, Unix, and Microsoft Windows. Windows 2000 was the first version of Windows which allowed the user to create several user accounts on a single machine. That you must have seen in one computer's many accounts are there, teacher is there, your student is there, sometimes guest is there. So many accounts are there to which user can connect to one account, and which account to you want to connect, that you can connect and you can do your work independently. Okay, that means in a one machine many users can work at a time. Multitasking operating system, the ability to perform more than one task at a single instant of time is called multitasking. An operating system that is capable of doing multiple tasks or executing process while using common processing resources like CPU is called multitasking operating system. Okay, more than one task at a time is known as your multitasking. Operating system that is capable of doing multiple tasks or executing processes while using common processing resources like CPU is called multitasking operating system. Just like simple example I'll give, while typing you can listen music also. both the task you can perform. Or while typing, you can watch a movie also. You can do. Okay. So that is multitasking, which you are doing also. Multi-threading operating system. These are the operating system that allows different parts of an application or program to run simultaneously. Allow different parts of an application or program to run simultaneously. Okay, means big program sometimes we divide it and all the parts work simultaneously. Okay, the feature of a multi-threading can delay the execution response of a certain process. For example, if you game have a game server on LAN, your friends will utilize the different parts of the same game by connecting with your machine at the same time. All the resources will be utilized from your machine, which can degrade the performance of your system. Okay, it may degrade the performance, but it can be done. Okay, a program can be divided and that can run, all the parts can run simultaneously. Okay, a real time operating system, RTOS. RTOS is designed to handle real life scenarios and problems. Such operating systems have the capability to prioritize the process, minimize execution time, and work independently. Whenever you book an air ticket online, you are actually communicating with a real machine, which is handling your data independently, giving your instant other customers who are online at that time. Okay, you this all railway reservation, flight reservation, whatever online system you are doing, these all are real time operating system. Okay, that means they such operating system have the capability to prioritize the process, minimize execution time, and work independently, because most of the people access it at the same time. So it prioritizes the process, which one will execute fast. Suppose at a time 100 requests are coming to for the means booking. So which one will be fast, then which one, then next which one. So that which priorities that will be operating system will decide, minimize execution time so that more processes request can be done more in a less time, and work independently also. Okay, so these are real time operating system. Distributed operating system. Distributed operating system runs on computers that are located in different geographical areas, interconnected through a network. Okay, different computer presented at different locations. Okay, and but connected through the internet. Okay, so it controls these interconnected systems and makes them appear to be a single computer. You can take the example, different computers of different branch, they are connected with each other at different cities, different geographical locations, but they are working as a same system. Suppose SBI banking system, so they are working as a system, but all the computers are different locations working independently. Okay, it allows all the linked machines to access the data, software, and process tasks over a network of geographically dispersed computers. Okay, so these are the different types of operating system. Today this much.